For decades, the Humvee has been synonymous with tactical excellence, but the battlefield waits for no one. As threats grow more complex, the U.S. military is now putting cutting-edge replacements to the test. What makes these vehicles the future of tactical operations? Let's take a closer look at how these advancements could reshape the battlefield. By the 1970s, the U.S. military relied on a range of light vehicles for transportation and utility roles, with the Willys Jeep, introduced during World War II, standing as the most iconic. While the Jeep and its successors had served reliably in earlier conflicts, they were not equipped to handle the broader and more complex demands of modern mechanized warfare. The military sought a vehicle capable of replacing multiple platforms, including the Jeep, the M151 Mutt, and larger utility trucks like the M561 Gamma Goat. This new platform needed to support modern weapons systems and provide superior off-road mobility, ensuring it could operate effectively across diverse and challenging environments. In the late 1970s, the Department of Defense initiated plans for what would become the high-mobility, multi-purpose wheeled vehicle. Following a competitive selection process, AM General was awarded the production contract in 1983, and the legendary tactical vehicle was born. The design of this versatile machine was rooted in three essential principles: modularity, mobility, and durability. Its chassis was engineered to accommodate a wide range of roles, seamlessly transitioning between troop transport, ambulance, and armament carrier configurations. Built with an independent suspension system and high ground clearance, the vehicle excelled in navigating rugged terrains, from arid deserts to mountainous regions. Additionally, its aluminum body offered resistance to corrosion while keeping the overall weight manageable, and its diesel engine was optimized for reliability and ease of maintenance, even in the most austere conditions. This groundbreaking platform made its operational debut during the U.S. invasion of Panama in 1989, where it proved its versatility and effectiveness in combat. However, its defining moment came during the Gulf War in 1990 to 1991. In the harsh desert environment, the vehicle demonstrated its ability to support troops under demanding conditions, becoming a vital asset on the battlefield. Over its service life, more than 281,000 units have been delivered to the U.S. military and allied forces worldwide, cementing its legacy as an enduring symbol of tactical mobility and adaptability. Yet, like any piece of equipment, time and evolving threats have exposed its limitations. Modern combat introduces challenges that were scarcely imaginable when the Humvee first rolled off the production line. The emergence of asymmetric warfare, the widespread use of improvised explosive devices, and the development of advanced enemy weaponry have all highlighted vulnerabilities in the original design. Although retrofitting older vehicles with additional armor and upgraded systems has extended their service life, these modifications often come at the expense of mobility and payload capacity. The demand for tactical vehicles that can achieve a balance between protection, agility, and firepower has never been greater. Just a quick moment before we move on. If you're new here and you like this content, consider subscribing to sustain our work and help us create more videos like this. In response to these evolving requirements, two remarkable innovations have taken center stage: the Humvee Sabre and the Humvee 2 CT Hawkeye. How do these modern iterations address the challenges of today's battlefield, and what roles might they play alongside newer platforms like the JLTV? Let's start with the Sabre. One of the most significant advancements lies in its improved survivability. Its redesigned monocoque hull integrates advanced materials and cutting-edge engineering techniques to provide superior protection against small arms fire, shrapnel, and even blasts from improvised explosive devices. Unlike earlier models that relied on external add-ons for armor, this version incorporates an enhanced protection system directly into its design, maintaining a sleek profile without sacrificing defensive capabilities. Despite these upgrades, the vehicle retains the remarkable mobility that made the original Humvee a battlefield icon. It features an independent suspension system and a high-clearance design, enabling it to traverse rugged terrains with ease. Paired with an all-wheel drive system and a powerful turbocharged diesel engine, it delivers optimal performance across diverse environments, whether navigating dense urban landscapes or crossing expansive desert battlefields. A long-standing criticism of the original Humvee was its inability to strike a balance between protection and agility, particularly in the face of asymmetric warfare. This reimagined platform directly addresses that challenge. Its integrated protection package ensures the safety of its occupants without the excessive weight that previously compromised mobility. Furthermore, the reinforced chassis is engineered to support higher payloads, accommodating mission-specific equipment or heavier weaponry without undermining speed or handling. To meet the demands of modern combat, the vehicle is equipped with state-of-the-art communication and situational awareness systems. Its modular architecture enables rapid integration of advanced technologies, including sensors, jammers, and command and control systems, ensuring it operates seamlessly within a networked battlefield environment. With a payload capacity of approximately 4,500 pounds, this versatile platform can be configured for a wide range of roles. It excels as a troop transport, a reconnaissance vehicle, or even a mobile command center. Its modular weapon systems further enhance its adaptability, allowing for the installation of remote weapon stations capable of mounting machine guns, grenade launchers, or anti-tank guided missiles. This flexibility makes it a formidable presence on the battlefield. Moreover, its compact and lightweight design facilitates rapid deployment by air, including transport aboard CH-47 Chinook helicopters or C-130 aircraft. This exceptional mobility makes it an invaluable asset for rapid reaction forces or units operating in austere and challenging environments. Let's now turn to the 2CT Hawkeye. This platform, developed by AM General in collaboration with Mandis Group, masterfully combines the agility of the Humvee with the formidable firepower of a 105mm artillery piece mounted directly onto its chassis. This integration transforms the vehicle into the world's lightest and most maneuverable self-propelled gun. The artillery system features a highly adaptable mounting mechanism that ensures stability during firing while preserving the mobility that the base vehicle is known for. The reinforced chassis supports the added weight and absorbs the recoil forces generated by the weapon, allowing the vehicle to maintain exceptional off-road capabilities, essential for operating in a variety of challenging environments. Despite these enhancements, the 2CT retains the compact dimensions of the traditional Humvee, enabling it to navigate urban streets, rough terrains, and confined battlefield spaces with ease. One of the standout features of the Hawkeye is its patented soft recoil technology, developed by Mandis Group. Unlike traditional artillery systems, which require heavy stationary platforms to manage the recoil forces, this advanced system reduces those forces by up to 70%. This allows the gun to be fired without destabilizing the vehicle or causing undue strain on its structural components. This technological breakthrough offers several tactical advantages. The first is its shoot and scoot capability. The reduced recoil enables the Hawkeye to fire and rapidly relocate, significantly reducing the risk of counter-battery fire. The entire cycle, from emplacing, firing to displacing, can be completed in approximately 3 minutes, providing a critical edge in high-intensity combat. Another advantage is its enhanced mobility. The lightweight system ensures that the vehicle's agility is not compromised, allowing it to keep pace with mechanized units or operate independently in inaccessible areas. Finally, its ease of deployment is unparalleled. The system can be transported by air on platforms like CH-47 Chinook helicopters and C-130 aircraft, making it ideal for expeditionary operations and missions in remote or austere environments. The Hawkeye made its combat debut in Ukraine, reportedly arriving in early 2024 for real-world testing against Russian forces. This deployment has offered invaluable insights into its performance under live battlefield conditions. Ukrainian forces have effectively utilized the vehicle's agility and shoot and scoot tactics to deliver precise fire support while evading enemy counterattacks. Its ability to maintain a fluid presence on dynamic battlefields has been a decisive factor in its success. Field reports indicate that the system has excelled in delivering rapid and responsive artillery support to frontline units. This operational success has not only validated the Hawkeye's design, but also underscored its potential for wider adoption by the U.S. military and allied forces worldwide. Now, the Sabre and the Hawkeye are not designed to replace the Humvee entirely. Instead, they serve as specialized additions that complement the broader tactical vehicle ecosystem of the U.S. military, which prominently features the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, or JLTV. As a next-generation solution, the JLTV was developed to succeed the Humvee in broader operational roles, addressing the challenges of modern warfare. Engineered by Oshkosh Defense, this advanced platform features an armored V-hull design, a significant upgrade over the flat-bottomed chassis of its predecessor. This innovation enhances protection against threats such as improvised explosive devices and landmines, while its modular armor system allows for customizable protection levels tailored to specific missions, balancing flexibility with survivability. Beyond its superior armor, this vehicle incorporates advanced ballistic shielding to defend against small arms fire and shrapnel, making it a formidable presence in direct combat scenarios. Its ability to provide such robust protection without compromising mobility is a testament to its advanced engineering. At the heart of the vehicle's mobility is the Oshkosh TAC-4i Intelligent Independent Suspension System, which offers an impressive 20 inches of wheel travel. This capability enables the JLTV to tackle rough terrains, steep inclines, and challenging environments with ease. Its performance is driven by a powerful engine, delivering 340 horsepower and enabling a top speed exceeding 70 miles per hour. These features collectively make it one of the most agile and capable vehicles in its class. The JLTV is also designed to withstand extreme conditions, functioning seamlessly in environments ranging from freezing Arctic temperatures to the searing heat of the desert. Its ability to ford through water up to 5 feet deep without preparation underscores its versatility and adaptability in diverse operational settings. One of the defining features of this platform is its modularity, offered in multiple configurations, such as general purpose, heavy guns carrier, utility, and close combat weapons carrier. It can be tailored to meet a wide range of mission requirements. Furthermore, the vehicle is fully compatible with state-of-the-art weaponry, including remote weapons stations, anti-tank missile systems, and counter-UAS, unmanned aerial systems technologies, solidifying its position as a key asset on the modern battlefield. Since its introduction in 2019, the JLTV has steadily replaced older Humvees in frontline roles. The U.S. Army, Marine Corps, and other branches have already fielded thousands of units, with plans for continued production and upgrades to ensure the platform remains at the cutting edge of military technology. While the JLTV excels in versatility and robustness, it is not designed to meet every operational requirement. This is where the Sabre and Hawkeye come into play, filling critical niches that address specialized needs. Together, these platforms complement the broader tactical vehicle ecosystem, enhancing the U.S. military's ability to adapt to diverse mission demands. The Sabre, Hawkeye, and JLTV complement one another to create a versatile tactical vehicle fleet. The Sabre excels in high-mobility missions such as reconnaissance and rapid response, with its advanced protection allowing it to operate in contested areas. The Hawkeye brings unparalleled lightweight firepower with its shoot-and-scoot artillery system, ideal for dynamic combat support. Meanwhile, the JLTV serves as the backbone of tactical operations, offering scalability and survivability across a wide range of scenarios, from troop transport to command and control missions. By integrating the Sabre, Hawkeye, and JLTV into its fleet, the U.S. military has developed a multi-layered and highly capable tactical vehicle strategy. The Sabre and Hawkeye extend the legacy of the Humvee platform by addressing specialized mission requirements, while the JLTV offers a comprehensive solution for broader operational roles. This diverse approach ensures that commanders have the right tools for every scenario, whether executing high-speed raids or managing sustained combat operations. Together, these platforms ensure the U.S. military remains ready to face the challenges of modern warfare with precision, resilience, and versatility.